Okay, it has been a night, not just a minute, but a whole night, and we are back outside again because quite frankly it is way too hot in the garage to be doing anything. But these bad boys, I think, have set. They look pretty nasty, not gonna lie. Can't claim any aesthetic value for them at the moment. When I brought them down, when I put them like out on the table, it was pretty sturdy, no wobbling whatsoever. But then again, there is masking tape and we all know how that went the first time. So here goes round two, the unmasking. I'm really hoping this works. I think this is, I can't tell which corner is which. I don't know which was the one that I laid down first and which was the one that I redid. One moment. Okay, I'm like 80% sure this is the one that I did first and didn't try ripping open last time, that I left overnight to see if the first layer was enough. So I'm gonna open this one first. I'm gonna unwrap it first, and yeah, fingers crossed. I'm not ready for another what to say moment, so I really hope this worked. Oh, please stay, please. This is, why do I actually feel weak? Okay, this is the final layer of masking tape. The moment of truth. Okay, there's a butterfly over there. That's a good sign. I think we're in the clear. It's looking pretty sturdy. I can lift it in the corner and it's like doing okay. I'm gonna call that a win. All right, now it's time for corner two. How many layers of masking tape did I put on? This one. Okay, I need to like not do it too quickly. We're good. Oh no, this one's stuck to the actual last piece. Oh no, this one's stuck because of the glue. Okay, no, we're good. Last one, final stretch. Oh no, okay, I need to go slow. Slow and steady wins the race. Ooh. We're good, we did it. Yay! Oh my god, it's set. Why am I so surprised that that worked? I think it's time that we pasted these two long boys together to make a full-on frame. Small dilemma, my bench is actually too narrow to hold together the two pieces, so we're gonna have to get crafty. Okay, so clearly we've designated a spot to do this. I think I'm gonna do the same mode of attack as I did last time. Why am I even explaining this? There's literally no other way for me to do this besides glue, smush, as quick as I possibly can. Your girl's about to become the Flash right now, so watch for that. Take a wild guess which corner I did first. This boy here with all his abstract lines of masking tape, modern art, or this one, neat and tidy and honestly quite aesthetically pleasing. Well, that's literally me for the day. That is literally all I wanted to achieve, all I had time to achieve for today. Actually, while I'm out here, while this is drying, I may as well just start measuring approximately how large I need the panel to be now. So got my trusty measuring tape because the metal one was too difficult and too bulky to try and fit into the frame. So we're going good old-fashioned roly-poly measuring tape. I can't get in the corner because the corner's glued. Okay, she's just gonna have to guesstimate it then. Okay, so if I hold the tape super tight to get all that tension out, it comes to be about 78.5 centimeters. I'm probably gonna aim to cut the acrylic so that it's going to be about 78 or 77.5, so about half a centimeter to 1 centimeter shorter than the actual frame itself, and hope for the best there. Well, now that that's out of the way, I guess that's day 3 done and dusted. Now I just got to wait for this bad boy to dry, and hopefully we'll be on to the next step before we know it. Oh god, what the hell are you? Oh, there's a dragonfly. Oh, it's okay. Ah, nature. All right, it has been a full 24 hours. I think it's time we unwrap this bad boy. Look at her. Sitting nice and pretty, nice and square, as a frame should. So all that's left is to peel it off and see if it holds. for all intents and purposes, she's glued together. She's held together. She's holding steady. I'm not going to test fate any further, but you know, the glue worked. As it should, it's glue. Still a little bit of a hot mess, but she's keeping it together, and that's what matters at this point. I just gotta go shopping again for some acrylic and hope for the best in terms of resizing it. I can tell you right now, this was a mistake. This is, one like one prayer when it's reached that point. Okay. I think it's time we put it all together.